Dear all, let me welcome you to another exciting digital launch by Panasonic India. This time, it is an extension to one of our game-changer model, not only for Panasonic but for the industry also. Lumix GH5 was one of the first consumer segment mirrorless camera to bring 4K 422 10-bit video capability within the camera. Today, we are proudly introduce latest digital mirrorless camera, the Lumix GH5 Mark II, featuring outstanding video performance for all cinema and digital video creators. In addition to the GH5, the GH5 Mark II can record cinema 4K 60p 420 10-bit as well as produce simultaneously output of 422 10-bit over HDMI without cropping from the original sensor's area. So the user can record video in the original viewing angle of the lens. Vlog L is pre-installed in the camera and deliver a high dynamic range and broad colors. The GH5 Mark II body image stabilization is further advanced to achieve stable handheld shooting and making it possible to use a 6.5 stop slower shutter speed. We gave the Lumix GH5 Mark II to India's best travel cinematographers Kshitij and Vivek. Let's listen to their comments.
Hello everyone, this is Vivek Gowda from Blink Films. I'm a wedding as well as a travel filmmaker from India. I have been a Lumix user for the last 3 years. I would like to share my experience with this new beauty from Panasonic Lumix. This Panasonic Lumix GH5 Mark II accompanied me to my recent trip to Kashmir. I have always been a fan of Lumix build quality and excellent ergonomics, which gives me all the relevant functions within the reach of my hand on dials and customizable buttons. I would call it a powerful hybrid camera for both photographers and filmmakers alike. The 180 FPS slow motion enhances the visual appeal of the shots, making the end product more cinematic. What I love the most about Lumix GH Mark II is the inbuilt Vlog curve feature, which lets me play with the colors in post. I would rate it as a best travel companion, especially for making my travel films.
We all have faced a transition in our working style and how we interact digitally with people owing to the pandemic. Some of these changes are here to stay. Lumix GH5 Mark II is capable of wireless live streaming using the Lumix Sync application for smartphones. High quality live streaming is possible with minimum equipment. Only the camera and a smartphone are required and can perform in either an outdoor or indoor environment. Panasonic is also proud to introduce a new telephoto zoom digital interchangeable lens, the Leica DG Vario Sumilux 2550 f1.7, which boasts a large aperture throughout the entire 50 to 100 mm equivalent zoom range. Combined with already available 10-25mm f1.7, the two lenses cover a focusing distance from wide angle to telephoto, functioning as fixed focal length lenses. GH5 Mark II would be available in India at a price point of 2,14,990 with lens of 1260 f2.8 to f4.0 and body only at a price of 1,69,990. 25-50mm lens would be separately available at a price point of 2,14,990 across India through Panasonic authorized dealers. Go get your GH5 Mark II.
Panasonic.